Today we talk about how can you disable red receipts on your Airbnb app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. So when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, so you just go down here. Then you click here on privacy ensuring, click on it here. So then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on sharing, click on it. Then come to next step here, just switch into open video here. So it's going to take a time to open video here. Then you click here on sharing here. Then you come here to read receipts, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me. Read receipts notification disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.